What's up guys, Ackeem still in here. Now in this video we're going to look at these bracelet, and this is a volleyball bracelet that you can basically wear on your arm. So it basically for teens, for females, you want to wear this, and there are actually 12 of them that come inside this pack right here. I'm just going to show you guys basically how it works. So as you can see right there, put this bracelet on your wrist, close your eyes and make a wish, then the card wear through, then your wish come true, which is really great, as you can see right here. So it basically comes in this package. Just unbox it, let you guys see basically what comes inside. As you can see, basically looking like this. We have some drawstring right here. Just gonna release this and pull it off. As you can see, this is how the bracelet look. You can see the volleyball edition right there, looking really neat. So basically, you have to release it, you have to draw this card right here to the liking where you can go over your arm. So I'm just gonna try it on right now, let you guys see. And once you put it on your arm, you can tighten it. Let's see, tighten right there to your liking. Tighten it a bit. That's how it basically look on my wrist right there, looking really neat, as you can see. So there are 12 of them guys that come inside right here. They're perfectly on my arm. So this is what you wear on your wrist, as you can see right there, looking perfect and neat. So I have some more right here. Try to put on more than one, see how it look. As you can see guys, that's how it look. And I'm wearing two right there, looking pretty perfect, looking pretty neat, as you guys can see. So hope you find this video very helpful guys.